Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make yogurt juice. First, gather your essential ingredients. 1 cup of plain yogurt, half a cup of water, and 1 tablespoon of your preferred sweetener, like honey or maple syrup. It's best to start with unsweetened yogurt so you can perfectly adjust the sweetness to your liking. Feel free to choose either dairy or a non-dairy alternative based on your dietary preferences. This simple combination forms the delicious base for your refreshing drink. Now let's get blending. Pour your yogurt, water, and sweetener into a blender. Secure the lid and blend on high for about 30 to 60 seconds. You're aiming for a completely smooth, lump-free consistency. For an extra burst of flavor, consider adding about 1/4 cup of fresh or frozen fruit, such as berries or mango, before blending. This step ensures your yogurt juice is perfectly mixed and ready for the next stage. After blending, it's time to taste and adjust. Take a small sip and decide if you'd like it sweeter or perhaps a bit thinner. If you prefer a lighter consistency, simply add 1 to 2 tablespoons more water and blend again briefly. Once it's just right, pour your freshly made yogurt juice over ice. It's best enjoyed immediately to savor its cool, creamy texture and vibrant flavor. If you have any leftover yogurt juice, you can store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. Before serving again, give it a good shake. Don't be afraid to get creative with variations. Try adding a pinch of cardamom or cinnamon for a warm, aromatic twist. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade yogurt juice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.